Hi, my name is Narendra. The title of my thesis is Seepage Analysis of Senggarang Coastal Embankment with Relation to the Backfill Compaction Quality. This is the outline of the presentation. First, the background study. The length of the earth embankment located at Senggarang is approximate 5.7 km, which started at Kampung Segenting, Batu Pahat, and ended at Kampung Sungai Ayam Laut. The coastal embankment is facing serious seepage problem due to poor compaction of the embankment. While for the problem statement, the Senggarang coastal embankment is experiencing the most major problem, which is seepage, which will result in pothole on the service road and inland flooding during high tide. Poor compaction result in low unit weight and strength, as well as high void content and permeability, therefore leading to coastal embankment failure, such as seepage. And the material used in compaction for the embankment is another factor that affecting the stability of the embankment. For the objective, to investigate the Senggarang coastal embankment seepage issue with a focus on backfill compaction quality. The next objective of this thesis is to recommend the optimal compaction characteristic for preventing Senggarang coastal embankment seepage. For the scope study, in this study, the application of geotechnical numerical software Plaxis 8 with appropriate input data to identify the stability of the embankment in the Senggarang coast. Meanwhile, this study involved in the material, method, and machinery of compaction used to construct the embankment. Based on previous work, to investigate the seepage problem happened in Senggarang coastal embankment and the impact of backfill compaction quality on the embankment with the focus of seepage failure. Therefore, recommend the best material, method, and machinery for the Senggarang coastal embankment compaction to increase the lifetime of the embankment. Well, for the literature review, in this chapter, it will present the study that relate to the topic of earthen embankment that had been done in some previous research and literature. The theory that include related to subtopic such as earthen embankment, method and machinery of compaction, and materials. Therefore, the soil parameters such as specific gravity, density index, plasticity limit, particle soil, and soil compaction of various soil is studied and analyzed. While for method and machinery, various compactors are studied to apply on clay soil to find more suitable compactors. While for the methodology of this research, it began with title selection, literature review, and then preparation for compaction of embankment with a focus of soil parameter, selection of equipment, method of compaction, then analytical simulation with a focus of geometry line, material set, mesh generation, initial condition, and conclusion. Then result, analysis and discussion, and finally discussion and recommendation. Well, in this study for expected result, the numerical simulation method was introduced to model and analyze the impact of seepage on the Senggarang coastal embankment of the compacted soil. Using shape foot compactor will analyze the quality of the compacted soil. However, to increase the accuracy and the efficiency of the method, several phases added in Plaxis simulation. Therefore, Plaxis software will be used to determine the numerical solution result, hence the seepage effect on the embankment and soil compaction strength will be covered in this section. And finally, as a conclusion in this study, clay soil is more suitable material to construct embankment in Senggarang coast due to high specific gravity, density index, and degree of plasticity of clay soil, and the low permeability of clay. While from various compactors in this study can be concluded that chip foot compactors is more suitable to compact clay soil. and the compactors compact clay with 8 to 10 passes per layer with a 50 millimeter tip to achieve good quality of compaction. Thank you.